Hey y'all, I'm T the Brand, expert lash artist and coach. Welcome to my channel. I am excited to do this video today because I am back with my second product review. I've had another company reach out to me and ask me if I'd be willing to do a YouTube review of some of their products, and I absolutely said yes. I always wondered how YouTubers had companies reaching out to them to review stuff, and turns out they were just minding their business, walking in purpose, and voila. So I'm super excited and super grateful for the opportunity to share my thoughts, my opinions about some lash products to help your journey be a little easier. Before we get into this video, I have to remind y'all about Gapelii, y'all. They are a Black-owned luxury apparel company. The couple is super sweet and they're always supporting my YouTube channel. They're friends of my boyfriends and they sent us these shirts, and I was like, you know what? They are always supporting. So I went and did my own research on the company, y'all, and what I found online was beautiful. They are heavily committed to giving back to their community, and that's enough for me, okay? So make sure that you guys look in the description box and shop Gapelii. I'm gonna tag their Instagram and their website again. All right, so if you have not already, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate the support by you just hitting the subscribe button. If you like the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments about the products that I'm going to share or about Gapelii, leave them in the comment section. And lastly, don't forget to turn on your bell notification button so that you can be notified when I share a new video, and just solidify your subscription. That's just like the cherry on top to you subscribing. So let's get to it, y'all. All right, so today I will be reviewing a couple of products from Sivote Lashes. They reached out to me through, email. I don't even know how they found me, but it was super cool. They reached out to me and asked me if I'd be willing to review some products. So they sent me what they wanted me to try, and I'm gonna share with you guys what I think about the product. So first things first, I'm gonna talk about the adhesives that they sent me. They sent me two different kind of adhesive. They sent me one that is a sensitive formula, and they sent me another that is their super strong formula. So there are some differences between these adhesives. I'm gonna read them to y'all, and then I'm gonna show y'all the bottle. So I'm gonna just show you the bottle now. So the sensitive formula, this is the bottle size. It's a 3 milliliter bottle. It's really tiny and cute. And so with the sensitive formula, the dry time is 3 to 4 seconds. That's a little tough for me because my lash speed is faster than 3 to 4 seconds, and I'll end up with a bunch of stickies. But I'm gonna give it a try, and I may share it with another artist, a beginner artist, because that's who this adhesive is targeted for. It says it on here, preferred or skill level is for intermediate to beginner artists. The retention is up to 4 weeks. It supposedly has no fume. The color is black, and they prefer it for handmade fans. And then the temperature and humidity, you want to store it between 68 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, and then the humidity should be, 40 to 70%. So this white bottle, this is the sensitive formula lash adhesive from Sivote Lashes. Alright, so the super strong formula, it comes in the same 3 milliliter bottle, and it's black. I'm a little biased to black, but it's also the speed that works for me. So the dry time for this adhesive is 1 to 2 seconds. That's a little slower than what I'm used to. I usually use a 0.5 to 1 second adhesive, but I'm looking forward to giving this a try to see how it does, or see how I do with it as well. The retention is up to 7 weeks, and we love it. We love lashes that's gonna last. It does have a higher fume, so out of 5 stars, it gives it 3 stars for the smell. The color is black. They prefer it for pre-made fans and classic lashes. Now, I don't use pre-made fans, and I don't do a whole lot of classic lashes, but I'm gonna use them for whatever lashing that I'm doing, and we're gonna see how they go. And then the skill level is for professional, and that is because of the dry time. And so the humidity is the same as the sensitive formula glue, 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius, and then the humidity in your lash room should be between 40 and 70%. So those are the sensitive formula and super strong formula adhesives from Sivote Lashes. Okay, next we have, they sent me 3 trays of lashes, y'all. So The first tray, it's a little, the package came a little cracked up because it wasn't really wrapped well. So I would say that hopefully they're shipping to paid customers is a little better than these pieces of the tray falling off, because nobody wants to receive their stuff all cracked up like that. But let's see what the lashes are feeling like. So this is a regular volume lash tray. It's 0.07 and it's a D curl with mixed lengths. The lengths range from 8 millimeters to 15 millimeters. So let's see how they feel. This is the look of them, y'all. Okay, and then let's get a feel on them. Okay, you can hear that. But they're a little soft. For 0.07s, 0.05s, and 0.03s, those are going to be the softest lashes that you'll feel. So 0.07s, because they are a little more weighted, they don't have the same texture or the same softness as 0.05s and 0.03s, but these are still really soft for 0.07. And again, this is a D curl mix tray, and I'm going to tag all of these products in the description box below, so if you guys are interested in giving them a try, you can. All right. They also sent me an Easy Fan lash tray. This is a 0.05 C curl, and this is a mixed tray with lengths of 8 millimeters to 15 millimeters. So this is a close up of them, and let's see what they feel like. Oh. Y'all, I love 0.05s. They are so soft. They feel like clouds. It's amazing. I love it. Can't wait to see how they fan. I don't use Easy Fan lashes. I did once upon a time earlier in my lash journey and career. But once I learned how to hand make, I really stopped using the Easy Fans. But I might try these out on my mannequin or pass them along to another lash artist to see how they work with them to see. But yeah. Uh-oh. Packaging breaking. Yeah, I would definitely recommend that they, take care of this little packaging situation. Okay, so the last tray that they sent a classic tray, 0.15 in weight C curl mix, and again these lengths are 9 millimeter to 15 millimeter. I'm not gonna feel these because the classic lashes are always a little hard, and I don't need y'all being like, oh them. Nah, classic lashes are just harder, they're thicker, they weigh more because they need to cover, have more density to them than volume lashes, because those actually fan out and add a little more color or pigmentation to your lashes. So yeah, these are the 0.15 classic lashes. All right, y'all, and the last thing they sent me was a case of tweezers. Now, let me tell y'all about tweezers. Tweezers are super important to your lash game, because tweezers that have poor grip to them or just are uncomfortable in your hand, they're hard to pinch, they cause your hand to hurt. Tweezers change the game. Tweezers are what made me think that I sucked at hand making lash fans, and it turned out it was just the product I was using. So once I invested in some good tweezers, I've been hand making ever since. So we are going to try these tweezers out. I'm looking forward to it. This is the case that it came in. Y'all, glitter is my favorite color, okay? Glitter. I know don't argue with me. Glitter is my favorite color. It's not just an accent or an accessory. I don't care what color the glitter is. If it's glitter and shiny and girly, I love it and I'm sold. So they sent me the gold pack of their tweezers. So it comes with, I believe it's 6 pair of tweezers in here. Yep. Oh my God, this is so cool. Okay, so I have a pair of straight tweezers, a pair of, let me pull them out of here so y'all can see. We have straight tip tweezers. We have L-shaped tweezers, and this is my favorite kind of tweezer to use for volume fan making and for mega volume fans. Of course, boot tweezers, they do give you bigger mega volume fans, but I don't do a whole lot of mega volume. These curved L tweezers, oh, dropping stuff. These are super cute, and I cannot wait to try these. These may not be too bad for isolation. I'll see how they work with isolating and with fan making. I don't ever use a tweezer, an L-shaped tweezer with for isolation. Let me see. Okay, they do have a tweezer that I use for isolation in here, so I'm excited to do that. This is more of the shape that I use for isolation. And I think this is what they call an S shape. Or just maybe not S shape. It's a curved tweezer. It's a curved tweezer, and then they sent me a pair of boot tweezers and a longer L-shaped tweezer. So here are boot tweezers. This is what most artists use for mega volume lash fans. They are able to really grip more lashes with that in the sweet spot to fan the lashes out for a mega volume. And then this is a longer kind of combo of the L shape and the boot tweezer. I've never used a tweezer like this, so I'm excited to give them a try. I'm excited to give them all a try, y'all. All right, so let's, I'm gonna do a quick little fan with them. Let's see how they go. Where these L-shaped tweezers at? Okay, so I'm gonna try out the D-Curl regular volume fan lashes that they sent. And these again are 0.07. Oh, we can try this adhesive out as well. Alright, so I got me a glue ring. Where is the top? I'm gonna open up the adhesive so we can give it a try. The adhesive, the nozzles come sealed on them so that you don't, you know, have glue spilling out and getting old and all of that. So I'm gonna just puncture this to open it up. I think that was it. I think that worked. And I'm gonna shake the glue up before I dispense it. So you should always shake your glue at least 30 seconds to a minute before you dispense a new glue dot. So if you use a glue shake, the actual glue shaker, you don't have to shake your glue up every time you dispense a new glue dot. It's good for the rest of the day because it mixes up all those ingredients super well. But if you're hand shaking your glue like I do, make sure that you shake for at least 30 seconds to a minute just so everything that is mixed all together and that you don't have no problems with retention. All right, so we're gonna turn this over. Come on, little thing, pop. Let me see. I'm gonna dispense that first drop. Oh, did it fall somewhere? Jesus. And I don't know where it went either. Anyway. All right, so we're dispensing the glue dot. Bam. All right, and we're gonna try this fan out. So I'm gripping lashes, and this tweezer actually, okay, this tweezer does very well with the sweet spot gripping a large amount of lashes. Now, this came off the strip really clean and really precise. Those pieces that you see kind of straggly and hanging, that happened when I was talking. So we're gonna pinch these together, give them a try, see how they fan. Oh, that was beautiful. They fanned y'all like butter. They fan like butter. The fan is turned backwards, but you can kind of see what's happening. So let's see, once we get it in the glue. Wow, y'all. And it took very well to the adhesive. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Picasso. I like. I'm trying to turn the fan around so I can show it. Very slim base. Nice fan. Okay, so we're gonna try this one more time, and I'm gonna actually put it in my blooming cup glue ring. Well, I'm gonna slide it through there so that I can actually see what the bases can really slim down like. And I'm gonna try this boot tweezer. Again, I don't really use boot tweezers because I don't do a whole lot of mega volume, but I'm trying to see what they're hitting for. So I'm grabbing a, can y'all see that? I think so. A decent amount of lashes to make a mega fan. Y'all, they come off the strip so sexy. Look at that. That's what you want. No straggly, raggly ends. That's quality right there. Okay, so now we're just gonna fan these lashes out. Oh, y'all. Look how big that fan is. Oh, I'm here for it. All right, let's see. Dip it in the glue. And then I'm gonna run it through one of the ridges on this blooming cup ring just to thin the base out so we can really see what the fan comes out to look like. I love it. I love it. So sometimes adhesive won't, it'll have the fans breaking as soon as you pull it out the adhesive, or the fans will break when you place them on a client's lash. But this right here, it held great. So look at the size of this fan. That is a huge mega fan. And then look how, I'm trying to get it in the camera, y'all. Look how slim that base is. Like, we don't play about the bases, because the bases aid to your retention and what that's gonna look like. Y'all, slim bases only. I'm gonna rate this glue, I haven't used it obviously on anybody, but I'm gonna rate that adhesive as of now a 10 out of 10, because some adhesives, baby, that glue, them lashes will fall apart as soon as you put the adhesive on them. So I'm very impressed by that. Again, the lashes, they're a 0.07, but they fan like a nice little 0.05. I love lashes that come off the strip easy and even and clean, and lashes that fan like butter. So Sivote Lashes, I'm in love so far. I cannot wait to try, I don't put glue on these. I cannot wait to try them out on a client and get back with another review video. So y'all, that is all I have today for this video. Again, if you like the video, please be sure to hit the like button. If you have any questions about anything that I have shown, shared, or said, drop them in the comment section and I'll be happy to get back to you. Make sure you check the description box for all of these products. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification button so that you know when I share a new video. And don't forget to shop Gapelii. So y'all, that is it. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I will see y'all in the next one.